Video, I am going to go over how to use the chi-squared template I have here on the right hand side. I'm going to first copy my data over to onto the template on the right, which is just a data set about parentage and whether the person is a wizard or a mogul. But I'm just going to copy the data into here and get rid of this third column. Clicking on this expected tab here on the bottom, this will give us the size of that data table, which was a three rows by 2 columns, which is emphasized on here. If we added up all these observations, we would get 200. And we have the row and column totals on here. Down underneath this expected results section, we have what the expected values would be for each of those cells. Clicking on this Calc tab, we once again have number of rows and columns, total observations. We have the degree of freedom, which was the number of rows minus 1 times the number of columns minus 1. So we would have 2 times 1, which gets us 2. The chi-squared test statistic here is at 28.74. And that would give us a p-value of 5.75 e negative 0.7, so a very small decimal. And then this table right here provides the contribution to that chi-squared value, which, as you can see, the wizard with wizard parents one is the highest out of the whole bunch. But if we look at this use tab as well, it will give us our assumptions for the chi-squared test, so that being the simple random sample, large population, and then this normality, which is based upon these expected values and how they compare to the data that we have. And all of those expected cells must have counts of at least 5, and they do. This one's the smallest, but it's still above 5. So because of that, that's why it shows 100% here. This needs to be at least an 80, which it is, which in this case would pass that normality assumption. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns about using the template. Thank you.